everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Ogonwadi. Thank you for joining me today. Happy new month, guys. Welcome to a beautiful new month, and I wish each and every one of us good health and sound mind. All right, guys, I want to thank you so much, my subscribers. Oh God, you guys are awesome. As you can see, an advert played prior to this video. It's all thanks to all of you worldwide. I really appreciate you guys. From the bottom of my heart, I say thank you. So today I want to show you how to make ofe akwu. That's what we call it. Ofe means stew or soup. Akwu is the palm kernel or palm nut that I'm going to be using for the oil of the stew. It's a traditional Igbo food. Igbo is eastern part of Nigeria, as you all know. I'm from Nigeria. So I'm going to show you, how to make this beautiful, authentic Nigeria Igbo stew. Okay? So stay tuned. Meanwhile, if you're seeing my face for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. I think somewhere here, somewhere there, you're going to see the button that says subscribe. Click on it. And also, you see a little bell? Tap on that notification bell. That will notify you every time that I upload any video, okay? God bless you all. Let's be family. Let's be one. Enjoy this video just like I'm enjoying it right now. All right, let me show you the ingredients. Over here, this is goat meat. You could use any meat you like, either chicken, beef, or whatever. But today, I want to use goat meat. I've already boiled it, cooked it. And I put it in the oven just a little bit to just, dry it up a little, not all the way. And this is my pepper, my habanero pepper. Guys, please use the quantity that you can handle. My family can handle this, even more than this. So use as much as you can handle. Here I've got salt. This is like a teaspoon of salt. I got 2 tablespoons of crayfish. I got stock cube. This is 2 stock cube. You remember this? This is nutmeg, but this is not a regular nutmeg. This is African nutmeg. It's called akwu. This is another traditional spice we call okpei, ogiri okpei, not the regular ogiri. Now, this is onions. I'm using purple onions. That's the best for ofe akwu. This is a leaf called scent leaf, not mint leaf. Scent leaf. It gives it a very distinctive scent and flavor, believe me. Normally, it's so green, but I have this in the freezer to store it and preserve it, That's why it's kind of this color. Over here, just in case you don't have scent leaf, I think basil leaf should be a good alternative for you. Basil or maybe spinach. It depends on where you are. This is my stock that I got from cooking my goat meat. All right? So over here, now, this is the palm kernel, the palm nut. This is where you make palm oil from. This is the fruit that gives you palm oil. So, if you don't have this, buy the concentrated one in the can. It's sold in the stores, especially the African stores. You could buy that. But I have this, so I'm using this. Here, I have smoked catfish. I poured hot water on it because I want to wash out anything at all that might be there that will, cause some yucky taste. Anyway, right here I still have my hot water going. I'm going to show you what I'll use with here. And of course, I'm going to be blending my crayfish and the akwu and all that here together. So the first thing I want to do is attend to the palm kernel because I need to do it while it's hot. I'm going to pound it in my mortar. You see my mortar over here? I'm going to pound it here and then extract the water. All right? So let's do this. All right, so this is what I do. I pound it. You see it's soft. The back is peeling off because it's well done and it's still hot. If it's hot, it's very easy to come out. All I'm doing is, activating the oil. And when I'm done doing this, I'm going to use water and extract the liquid, And then, you see the oil. This is how we do it back home. I don't want the mortar to make so much noise. That's why I have a little rag underneath so it doesn't make so much noise. You try not to break the nuts. The nuts are important. I'm going to tell you also what you can do with the nut. These are all yummy African food. Alright, so I'm just going to transfer it right here. I don't want any to fall out because this is not really much. I came back when I went to Nigeria. I made sure I came back with some of this, at least to have that, you know, authentic taste that I missed. Alright, so next step. Alright, make sure your hand is clean. I just want to sort out the, it's not a must, but in order for me to get a very well, you know, concentrated liquid, I just want to sort out the nut. That's where the job is kind of, but it's nothing much. Just take out the nuts as much as you can before we go to the next step. I try to take out the nuts as much as I can. Some people found it like a waste of time, but like I said, it makes me have a more concentrated liquid. I don't want it too watery. Alright, here I have only the pulp now. I've separated the nut from the pulp. This is hot, not too hot, but I need something that won't burn my hand. You're just going to go ahead and use it to wash out the pulp. Just a little water, not too much. Remember, we don't want it to be liquidy. We need it a little thicker. So I'm washing it, the pulp out, so I could get all the oil out. Alright, I think this is good enough for this. So I set the pulp aside somewhere. And I'm just going to go ahead and do the same to the nut. I just want to squeeze out whatever I can. You know, whatever I can squeeze out, that'll be fine. Remember, it's hot water. Don't burn your hand though. Use the hot water you can manage. Clean out all the good juicy stuff. Set this aside. Do you know what you can do with this nuts? When it dries off, I just go ahead and break it and eat the nuts inside it. There's something called okpei, breadfruit. You can use it for your breadfruit. Some people even eat it with bread. I've never done that, but it seems funny though. But anyway, those are the things, a lot of things you can do. Is you can snack on it. It's healthy. You can snack on it and you're good to go. All right. So the next thing, I'm going to debone my fish that has been in the hot water, if not too long. I'm deboning the fish. This is my smoked catfish, remember? You can also use smoked mackerel and add to this. I'm not really a mackerel fan, so I'm using just the smoked catfish. This is for that native flavor. You debone them and set aside, and then we continue. All right. The next step is to blend my African nutmeg, my crayfish, and the okpei. Always remember your hands should be extremely clean. We do a lot of hand touching here. You can also pound this in the mortar, you know. I like to use this, it makes it faster for me. Alright, so this is good. Now we're gonna go to the stove. So now let me go ahead and blend my pepper. Ooh, that smells so nice already. I'm going to go ahead and pour my palm concentrate into the pot. Let me scoop out everything because I need all of it. Scoop it all out. Alright. Allow it to boil just a little bit, then I add the stock. I added a little bit of water so that I could smoothen the pepper because I don't want to see the seed that much, you know. I think this is a good consistency. So like I said, I'm going to allow the palm concentrate to boil a little bit and then we continue. Okay, so right now I'm going to add, you see all the spices I blended and the onions. Everything goes in now, including the smoked catfish. I'm gonna add the goat meat so that, you know, it will all, you know, all the juice will go into the beef. I'm gonna put just a little bit of salt for now. This is a teaspoon, but I'm gonna test later. Now my beef stock. I'm not going to put so much. I don't want it too watery. So I'm going to be watching it and see how thick it comes out to and see if more liquid, more beef stock is required. Oh, add my spicy pepper. Guys, like I said, if you're not into hot pepper, please use the quantity or totally skip it. It is all well and good. But if you can, it also adds its own flavor and taste to it. I mean, you would enjoy it. I could smell it right now. I wish you guys could smell it from your phone or computer or laptop, whatever you're using to watch me. So I'm going to leave it to boil for like 15 more minutes and we'll be back. Alright, it's 15 minutes. Now this is the last step. Remember the scent leaf? That's what I'm going to be putting in now. Guys, like I said, if you do not have the scent leaf, feel free to use basil leaf. That's the closest to the scent leaf. Or you might as well just go ahead and use your spinach. Alright? So I'm going to allow it to cook. Do you know how you know when it's done? When the oil has risen, you can see red oil rising on top of your stew. Then you know it's properly cooked and it's good to go. Alright? Guys, it's ready. You see the oil? The way the oil is? All on top of the stew. That shows you it's well done. If you do not see this oil, I don't know if you can see this. If you do not see this oil, it's not ready. But when you see the oil right on top of the stew, it's ready. So we turn off our stove. And it's time to dish out. And there you go, your ofe akwu. Ofe akwu. You see that, guys? It's served with either white rice or brown rice or cauliflower rice, whichever you choose. Try this. Believe me, you will love it. If you do not have the palm kernel the kernel itself, please go ahead and buy the concentrated one in the can. It's still the same thing, okay? Yes. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen today. You are always welcome to my kitchen anytime, okay? So try and make this delicious ofaku, aka banga stew, pumpkin stew, whatever you wanna call it. Anyway, I'm excited because this is gonna be my lunch right now. Come on in, come join me. Let's eat together, all right? Thank you for joining me, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Let's be family. I welcome you to my world. You welcome me to your world. Thank you so much. Like the video, share this video, leave me a comment, and please, if you have any question, go ahead and ask me. I'm willing to answer. I'm gonna leave the measurements down, and please follow the description of how I made this stew, and you will come out with the same beautiful, amazing result. Thank you so much. It's bye from Ogonwadi. Stay blessed, stay safe, and bye.